Hello everyone, it's Rastus here. Today we are going to have closer look of this Knitpro Indigo Wood Mini Interchangeable Needle Set. This set is suitable for knitting small circumferences like hats, socks, sleeves, or baby items. Before, when I need to knit small circumferences project like hats or sleeves, I always use magic loop methods or DPNs, and I never feel the need to purchase one until a few months ago. Knitpro contacted me, asked me if there's any set I'm interested in, and I thought, okay, let's give this mini interchangeable needle set a go. So today we are going to have a closer look of this set and how I feel about knitting with those mini needle sets. My first impression of this set is the case is very well made. You can see the stitches are very tidy and I cannot see any loose thread of the stitches here. The materials with the brown section is washable paper, and then the blue, of course, is denim fabric. The overall design is very clean, very comfortable to look at, and it fits the overall aesthetic design. Let's open the case now. So it's with a magnetic button, and inside you got two compartments. The first one contains two cables, and with these two cable needles you can make 27 to 30 centimeter circumferences. You got some accessories here. You have two tightening key, 4 end caps. So the second one, it contains all the needles, and the needles is neatly put it in another case. This set contains 7 sets of 15mm needle tips, so it's including 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6mm needles. With the needle design, you can see this beautiful indigo wood color. The color indigo is known for promote a feeling of serenity, which is all we need when we knit in the project. The wood itself is very polished, so it feels very smooth, and there's no snug feeling between the wood and the joint of the metal part. To join the needle on the cable, you just simply screw on it, and then you can bring out your tightening key to tighten the needle. And when you twist, remember, hold the metal part here. Don't hold this part, the beginning of the part, because there's a joint here. So you just hold this part and then tighten it to the other direction. Then we can join the other side with the same way. The joint itself is very smooth as well, so it's very easy to move the stitches around. And the overall design is very beautiful. You got an indigo color blue here with this dark blue cable. It just fits the whole aesthetic. So personally, I have used this set to knit sleeves already, and I have to say I really like it. Before, when I use magic loop, I always need to stop in the halfway and then move all the stitches to the other side of the needle. And overall, it just takes more time to do it. And with DPNs, again, you need to keep changing the needles, and then it's a bit more fiddly. I really can just enjoy the knitting process and then just continuously knitting in the round. And it just makes knitting those small circumferences really enjoyable to work with. Apart from that, because this set comes with two different cable lengths, so in the halfway of the sleeve you can just change the length of the cable, and then you can continue to knit to the end of the sleeve. So the whole process is just faster and easier to work with. One thing you need to think about is because the circumferences is very small to work, so if your hands are a little bit bigger, then you might need to take some time to get used to it. But once you get used to the feel of the small circumferences, it's really enjoyable to work with these needles. Another thing is the case is very small, so you can easily put it in your project bag and carry it around with you. There you are. That's my opinion of Knitpro Indigo Wood Mini Interchangeable Needle Set. If you are interested in learning more about this set, I will put a link in the description box, and then you can go on their website and have a look. That's my sharing today. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you next time. Adios.